Day 26, everything's bullish. I'm liking the long potential, but it's right at previous day's high and breaking down. The best case scenario for me on a bullish day, the best way I like to see it is everything's above a previous day's level. So if price falls back down below previous day's level, I'm not saying I wouldn't get bullish. I'm just saying I have a lot more caution. This day right here was one of my best trading days. I even did an overnight trade on it because as soon as it popped up and showed me signs of continuation, I got long and went to bed and had my stop loss in. And in the middle of the night, I heard order filled and hit my target. And when it's above previous day's levels, then you know the strength of that is so much better. Here's the line for previous day's high. It's trying to stay over, but it's just not there yet. This is the micro for the NASDAQ. All my time charts are bullish. We got the 15-minute. Everything's on this side. 5-minute. Everything's on this side of the moving averages. I love that. All my tick charts. I'm waiting for everything to line up perfectly. My 5,000 tick chart. Once this pops up, once it holds, it'll be in an area above previous day's level, and it'll be above all the moving averages, both. So waiting for the bell to open here in less than a minute. We'll see what happens. It just tested the previous day's level. Market's just now opened, so there it goes down. That's kind of waiting to see it clear this level here. Maybe even test these close of yesterday and open. What I don't necessarily want to see on the day chart is it turn into a red day and come all the way down and even go lower than the overnight low, because that's telling me how's that going to reverse and go long. At that point, I don't know what I'm going to do. So if it holds these levels, these dash lines, which is the close of yesterday, and it's open and it stays a green day up here, then I'm going to look for it to stay above previous day's high and break some trend lines and go long. So we're waiting to see what happens with that. I can't do anything right now though. It's continuing down, so as it continues down, I got to be patient because I'm not really going to short this either right now. I'm not really ready to short it. It swept the level. That's what I was thinking it was going to do. Come down and sweep this level. It did. Now this is a good place for it to start to turn around and go back up if it's going to be a bullish day. It could just be a choppy day that dances around the previous day's high, which is very difficult to trade. It's not making its mind up which side it wants to be on. Yeah, that bites. So now it's below previous day's level. And we can't do anything at the moment. Now it's above previous day's level. It went down, swept the pivot, come back up. Now let's see if it'll break this trend line and stay in a bullish pat. There it goes. Give us some red bar ignore. Give me a red bar ignored. I'll be glad to give it a try here. See if that keeps going. I don't know how much that is, but I like what it's doing. I don't know how much that is for a trade. I got to figure it out. Okay, that's $30. Yeah, it didn't keep going. You see, it didn't keep going. Okay, so now what it's doing here, it's really tripping. Because it came down to sweep this level. It went up to sweep this level. And if we get ourselves a megaphone pattern, that's very difficult to trade. If it closes above these moving averages, I'd be very tempted. But then it's sideways. Now it's looking sideways rather than, a trend. But it could break out right here. If I get a good entry and a good risk reward, a good setup with a good risk reward, I like what it's doing up here. I like this pattern here. I like how it bounced off the levels. 5,000 tick chart looks really good. Let's see if I can.
Order
I'm going to give
filled.
it a shot. I'm going to give it a shot right there. Hopefully it'll keep going. Just give me something on it, please. It's going to be one of those days, it looks like, because if it doesn't keep going right here, then I'm going to be very careful about my entries. If this is where it needs to keep going, right here. Keep going right here. I'm underneath this consolidation area. I'm underneath the momentum lines, but let's see what happens. Just keep going for me. Just give me 1 to 1. It's all I need. 1 to 1 is all I need. I want to break even. Just keep going. Keep going. I don't want to break even too quick. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. This is what I need to work on, but this thing is looking just, it's getting too weak. Am I too close? I might be too close for the choppiness of this market. It's coming down. All I needed it was to do was to go up a little bit. There you go. Keep going. I'm going to use that as my stop loss now. This pullback that it just did, bouncing off the 20, I'm going to use that. I raised my stop loss up a little bit because it shows buyers right there. And now I'm less of a risk. I want to break even, but the way it's chopping, it could get me out right here. I really want to get that 1 to 1. There you go. Please go up more. Go up more. I'll break even. Okay, now I have a risk-free trade, which is nice. I have a risk-free trade, which is nice. I'm going to take a couple ticks off of it. It's a 1 to 1 right now. Maybe I should just take my 1 to 1, but it's so choppy, man. Go up. Keep going. I need to see that thing keep going. Keep going. I'm not that. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I want to take the 1 to 1, I think. I got to learn to hold. There you go.
Order filled. Order canceled.
2 to 1. Got it. Almost 2 to 1. Yes. I'm happy with that. That could be my only trade right now because I do not want to give anything back. I like what it's doing up here. All right. So what's the... Yeah, I mean, that could be my trade right there. If I was trading a mini, I would have made $550. Since it's a micro, it's $55. On the evaluation account here, I'm still using those, but I'm just calculating strategy, execution, setups, developing patience, and getting the mindset that it is real money, even though it's not. Putting on real trading practices and getting my mind and practice all set up for the real deal when it's time to switch over. But okay. So yeah, I did that. Okay. I think I'm gonna end the live stream. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I like to do. I don't want to overtrade. If I in real life, if I would have knocked out $550 in the first 7 minutes, I'm pretty serious about just stop trading, because that's rent money, that's food, that's donation money. I can help people. I don't want to lose it. This is not a video game, and I am not playing games with it. So keep practicing. And also, I want to drill on this video is waiting for the perfect circumstances to all align. You got the best opportunities for success when everything is fitting the rules. The strategy that you're looking for, what I'm looking for to go bullish, waiting for the sweep down here, waiting for it to test again. Like, see that test right there? Tested right there again, started to go. I could have gotten in on that bar right there, but let me take a quick, I guess I did get in on that bar. Yeah, I did get on. Well, I waited for the breakout though. I waited for the breakout. So either I'm going to switch accounts, the 50-50 challenge is over, we made the 55, And I'm going to close that out, and I might be looking for some other strategies today using different accounts. But we're done for the 50/50 challenge. I'll see you on the next video.